Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. Today's style comes from Klaiyi hair. We're gonna unbox this. Here's everything that comes in the box, including your wig. This wig is their side bang Yaki straight texture. And as you can see, it comes already with that side part. The hairline looks good straight out the box. And this is a 7x5 closure. Looking at the lace, you get a lot of parting space there. You can do that side part or middle part. Features the drawstring and the adjustable strap that's in there. You also get the strap that you can take in and out of the wig and a comb right here. This drawstring is going to give you a glueless wear. And you can see that their cap is also very breathable. Slide it on. So this can be worn with or without glue. This is what the hairline looks like. Even with the side part that they set for you, you can see that it still covers pretty low right here on the side. The ear tab areas, I do find this area is just hitting the ear slightly, but not too much. This is what the lace look like, how it's blending straight out the box in the back. And I'm just gonna pull it tight. That will hold the wig without any glue. And then I always tuck my comb. Now, as you can see, they already gave you a nice side bang. It's a very lightweight wig. It doesn't feel thick. The texture is super soft. How soft that texture is. All right, so for a very quick install, use that drawstring, and this is what it looks like. But if you wanted to give it just a little bit more melt, I'm gonna take my sticky little secret melting spray, line it up right, make sure my lace is where I need it to be, and I'm gonna take this spray, and this spray is awesome at hiding the lace. So if you ever get lace that does not melt with your skin, use this product. I will have it linked below along with this wig. So I'm just gonna squirt that just at the forehead area and the sides, and then dry it some. And then what I like to do is take their edge band, and we're just gonna tie down that area. When you wanna hide that lace to the skin, you don't want it to be visible. You just add a little bit of that. So one thing about the drawstring that I absolutely love is that it really adjusts to the head size. You can really get that pull to get it to fit exactly the way you want it, which is perfect for ladies with smaller heads. Their upgraded string, they not only give you that, but like I showed you at the beginning, they give you the one that's in the inside and also the one that you can take out. Now this hair is 100% human hair. So I always use my flat iron on about 400. This is human hair, so it can take heat. You can straighten it, so I'm gonna straighten it out some. Now, even though it's already a straight texture, we're gonna see. Let's see what it do. It smooths it down a little bit. So this hair doesn't have them chunky kinks in it, so you don't have to worry about trying to get out those harsh kinks that's in the hair. But if the hair has a bend in it, or you just want to just smooth it down, then you can see for yourself that you can do that. And you can see how flat that lays. There's no lace visible. And that parting though, I like the parting. But see, this is what the hair looks like. See, it has a nice natural shine. It's not too shiny. Super soft. I'm gonna take my razor and kind of just add a little bit of layers right here so it can meet that bang. And one thing I do love about this already, because it comes pre-styled with that bang, you can instantly get a style. Bend that a little bit. Okay, I like this. This is really nice. Very simple. Breathable. And if you wanted to, I know it can be hot outside sometimes, so if you didn't want to wear your hair down with this wig, even with it being a closure, you can separate this area here. You can pull it up into a ponytail and kind of pull it back like this. I'm gonna just take this hair clip. So if you wanted to get it out your face a little bit and just still wear it down, you can pull it, you know, pull it back. Okay, so you have options here when it comes to styling. You can also take your curling iron and add some curls, because the hair does hold a curl. And I like to take some hairspray for a longer hold, spray it and let it drop. Let's see, a nice beautiful curl. You can also use the hairspray before. This is my unpopular opinion, but to be honest, just because the texture is Yaki or even kinky straight does not mean that it's low quality hair. I don't know why people always consider textures that look like our natural hair to be of lower quality. I mean, I have seen some in like beauty supplies, yeah, that are not as good, but For the most part, when you are dealing with a texture like this, that is human hair. Yes, it's been processed to get the texture. However, as you can see for yourself right now, it does everything that a silky texture can do. And like I said, if you need extra hold with your curls, you can pin them. I've heard people use flexi rods. I've never tried that on. You can see that the quality of this hair is really good. By the way, someone did ask me about my ring. I wear this ring in almost every video. It's actually a smart ring. It's really good at keeping my heart rate, exercise, food, all that stuff. I will put it in the description box if you guys want more information. Check the link. I am loving so much how this is turning out. Don't worry about that popping. If you hear it, that's just the hairspray. It's not the hair, y'all. And I can even take a bigger section if I wanted to. Just gonna spray it, and then we gonna curl that bigger section too. But I honestly love using a wand curler on Yaki textures. I feel like it holds the curl longer. The parting looks good. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, don't forget to like the video, please, and share it. And the spray that I'm using is Sebastian Shaper Spray. It does not give like that crunchy hold, but it does give hold. It's one of my favorite holding sprays. And just like that, y'all, we have a whole nother style. Okay, I like the middle part too. This actually looks really good. Like this one, let me curl this one to match. I had to recurl that front piece so it'll match the side it's supposed to go to. Just do this right quick. Yeah, so don't sleep on your Yaki textures. Don't sleep on the Yaki texture, especially if you're looking for a natural protective style. Or Yaki textures can look cute too, y'all. Don't discriminate on the Yaki textures now, because this is pretty. This is super pretty. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and link this in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there, and also every product that I use will be in the description box for you guys, so be sure to check down there. Thank you so much for joining me back for today's video. Like the video, subscribe, share it please, and I'll see you back in my next video. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel, where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.